Hello, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. In Hāpara Workspace, groups are incredibly powerful. They allow teachers to support collaborative, differentiated learning as learners engage with content of the workspace. We're going to look at a few of the features with our guest presenter today. On today's episode of Heapy's Tips and Tricks, we are excited to introduce Danica Harnick, our most recent Hāpara Champion Trainer graduate.
Hello! Today we will learn how to create groups in Hāpara Workspace. Specifically, how to create and use empty groups to hide cards from your students that you don't yet want them to access. Sometimes I want to prepare the cards on my workspace ahead of time, but I don't want students to see the cards yet. The default for all cards is that all groups that you have can see them. As you can see here in the third column under the assignments, I have a start date of today, which is Wednesday, April 20th, and I have one that starts tomorrow. Students can see cards with today's date and previous. They cannot see cards with a start date in the future. This is the view of the student's workspace. You'll notice that the student can't see cards that have not yet started, but they can see cards that have and can start their assignment. I'm going to navigate over to Students and Groups here in the top left corner. I'm going to click New Group. I'm going to name my group. I like to name mine Ghost, but others like Teacher View Only or something like that. Pick a color, click Next, and it says the group is empty. We're going to leave it that way and navigate back to the workspace. Now I can go and click on the top right-hand corner of any card, the three dots, that I don't want students to see. I'm going to click Edit, scroll down under All Groups, and I'm going to deselect any groups that have students in them. Ghost remains checked, and I can click off of it or click Done, and now students cannot see this card. I can do the same with an assignment card, whether it's started or not. And to show the card when I'm ready, maybe I only want to show it to period 1 first. I go back in, do the same process, click period 1. Then we're done. And that's it. Now you can plan ahead with your workspace and reveal cards to students when you are ready.
Thank you, Danica, for being our guest presenter today on Heapy's Tips and Tricks. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Thanks for watching.